So I'm gonna mix a concoction of a deep condition, but I want my conditioner to consist of some protein, because we just went and basically broke down the protein in our hair when we put in a relaxer. So I want to go in with something that's going to provide that keratin and that moisture at the same time. So what I'm thinking I'm going to use is going to be my garlic Vatika, in which I got this off of Amazon. I've talked about this years ago. Definitely does good with shedding of the hair. So if you're having any issues with shedding, breakage, this is good. So even though I have the Alpha G on my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing Vatika into a bowl. And then this is a bowl that I got. Again, you can shop on Amazon. They have bowls and the brushes, applicator brushes on there as well. I only need a little bit just because my hair is relaxed, and whenever my hair is relaxed, I tend to use less product. My strands are already thin, but my hair in general is a lot finer than it would typically be. So it's like I have to use less product versus me stretching. So this is how much conditioner I have in the bowl. Before postpartum, I had a lot of hair, you know, that was healthy, and that the oils, the conditioners aid in that growth. A game changer in my hair growth. Love this oil. Is light, but yet it's effective. Just gonna squirt maybe like a teaspoon of that in there. Then going in my argan oil. This one was, I think, from CVS, but you can find that on Amazon. Aloe vera oil, glycerin oil from my local beauty store. Glycerin oil, if you don't know, it's good for aiding and repairing damaged hair. This is grapeseed oil. Got this from Publix. Trying some rose water, again from Amazon. I'm going to just spritz some of that inside of my concoction. You can actually just pour it in there if you want. I probably should have just did that. I'm going to mix this onto my strands of my hair, but also my scalp, because the scalp has basically been, if you just think about it, it's been chemically peeled. Let's just say that. So we're gonna go in and make sure that we are just protecting it with the oils and conditioners to kind of just get it back to its healthy state. And whatever you don't use, you can use for the next time for your deep conditions. Just massage it into my scalp. Like I said, just want to make sure that my scalp is saturated with the oils. And you all, I forgot one of my favorite oils, which is my black castor oil. How could I forget it? I'm gonna grab that. I was just sitting here like, oh, I'm missing an oil. Black castor oil. Massaging the scalp is good for stimulating blood flow, which increases and helps to stimulate growth. So this is mixed. This is a do-grow oil. It has black castor oil in it as well. I mix that in there, and then go ahead and rub that through my hair. Okay. The last thing I do is just to make sure that I am focusing on the oldest part of my hair, which is my ends, to make sure that it's getting all of that moisture in there. Doesn't hurt to put some oil on them edges, boo. Get into it. Okay. I'm gonna put a cap on my head and then I sit on the dryer for a good 10 to 15 minutes. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building, it's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting
trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't ask me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your